In this video, I go to South Dakota and I solve a Rubik's Cube 5 turns every 5 miles. I would do it 1 turn every 1 mile, but I would have run out of space on my camera if I did that. I had a small SD card. Hit that like button, it really helps the channel out. If you want to see more about the trip to South Dakota, click right here. That's my mom's video. And if you want to see more about the bike ride, also click right here. That's my dad's video. Without further ado, here we go.
A guy named John Bogle invented what is known today as Mammoth.
For a second, I thought those were real.
Yeah.
We've been in the car for 6 hours. It's basically 4 hours to go. We are about to see Mount Rushmore in 3, 2, 1.
They said yes.
We are heading up the chairlift to do the Alpine slide. And then Mom, Ryan, and Dad are up there.
Mom, you gotta get dragged out.
Look at this. There's a bald eagle.
Right now.
Holy crap, he's huge.
The girl.
She's huge. The giant tortoises. Tortoise. Tortoises?
All right, V, come back to me.
Can we go? Come on, girls. I'll show you something.
She found the babies beyond the
There's stairs right here, like you can just go down and look.
Look at all these prairie dogs.
Oh, and then can I go? What's his name? Mom! Oh, wow. Wow!
Can you say hi, guys?
That was really close.
So close. Come on, guys. All right, we'll do one more so you can get a treat. Can you wave? Good girl.
We are starting at mile marker 109. So we're going to do 5 turns at 104. See you then. All right, at mile marker 107, I'm realizing that I forgot to scramble the cube, so I'm just gonna go quickly. And that looks like it's good enough. All right, mile marker 104, and we are doing first 5 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's really pretty out here.
All of us.
Shh. Deer. I said deer and he looked at me. Or she. We don't know.
Probably she.
Mile marker 99. Another 5 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mile marker 94. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First F2L pair done. Mile marker 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mile marker 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the second F2L pair. Mile marker 79. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That wraps up day 1. All right, mile marker 74. It is day 2, 4th of July. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mile marker 69. 1, F2L done. 2, 3, 4, 5. Mile marker 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mile marker 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In the next clip, I messed up a lot. I did some moves and I undid the moves, but I undid them wrong. I did solve the cube by the end of the 109 miles, but it didn't count. And I made this paper, and then I took this scramble and I put it into an online Rubik's Cube solver, and I did those moves backward, and I got this. I checked it in the real video to make sure that everything was right, and it was.
I need to find where I was.
1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5.
It is day 3. We're gonna be going 45 miles today. Hopefully I can get this solved in 45 moves. Mile marker 44.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's OLL.
Mile marker 39.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mile marker 34.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, mile marker 29.
1, 2, 3. And that's a Z perm, okay. 4, 5.
Mile marker 24.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mile marker 19.
1, 2, 3. Boom. Now, I don't know how many moves I have left or how many miles or whatever, but I know that I did do it in the 109 moves.
Mile marker 14. There's a grasshopper in Ryan's leg.
Oh God, you'd be freaking out if it were on you. I thought he fell or something. I wanted away.
He's just taking a walk. He's just taking a walk.
Look at all these crickets! They're everywhere! They're everywhere! Mile marker 9. All right. Mile marker 4. Hey, it's the end of the trail.
I think
I feel accomplished.
there it is.
Haley obviously did not sunscreen herself really good. Haley, you want to show them?
When you ride 45 miles in a day, on a sunny day.
All right, we're at the Mammoth site. This is a rib bone. This is an atlas. It's a tooth. And lastly, this is the femur.
I want you guys to know that I'm gonna do a Q&A in a couple of weeks. I will be answering all the questions that I get. All you have to do is go down and click the first link in the description and leave whatever question you have in the comments. Hope you guys liked the video. Again, hit that thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Share it with some friends if you thought it was fun, and I will see you guys in the next one.